Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to see hide locked chats in WhatsApp. Let's start by opening the WhatsApp app. Normally, when you lock a chat, you swipe left on the chat, tap on the three dots, and then select Lock Chat. After that, tap Continue. The app will use Face ID, fingerprint, or your phone's passcode to lock the chat. Once it's locked, it shows up in a special section called Locked Chats. You can access this by swiping down from the chat list and you will see the Locked Chats section appear. But sometimes you might not see that Locked Chat section. This happens when you've hidden the locked chat using a secret code. To do this, you would have gone into the chat settings and chosen to hide the chat. When you do that, WhatsApp asks you to create a secret code. For example, let's say you set your code to something like 12345. You would enter it once, then confirm it, and press Done. After that, the locked chat will disappear from view. Now here's how you can find the hidden locked chat. Go back to the main chat screen. You won't see anything, even if you swipe down. But if you go to the top of the screen and use the search bar, you can type the secret code that you created. In our example, you would type 12345. Once you enter the correct code in the search bar, the hidden locked chat will appear below. Tap on it to open it. From there, if you want to remove the lock, tap on the three dots again, select Unlock Chat and confirm. After you remove the lock, the chat will be visible like any other normal conversation. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.